In this video, I will be showing you how to create digital card in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva home screen and type eCard into the search bar to see my options. While there are many great templates, I'm going to click on Create a Blank Card to start a custom design from scratch. Once the canvas opens, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. I want to add a message, so I'll search for Thank You graphics. To ensure I'm only seeing the no-cost options, I'll click the filter icon and select Free under the price category. I'll browse the results and select this elegant thank you script, then move it to the top and resize it to fit perfectly. Next, I'll add a text box and type in a personalized message. I really appreciated your help. Let's catch up soon. I want a different look for this text, so I'll open the font menu and scroll through the available styles until I find Source Serif Pro. After positioning the text, I'll click on the spacing tool to slightly adjust the line spacing for better readability. To finish the design, I'll search for an Soxo graphic in the Elements tab, select one I like, and place it in the bottom right corner. Now that my card is ready, I'll click the Share button in the top right, select Download, and save my digital card as a PNG file. And just like that, you have a custom digital card ready to send.